Shotgun King, the final checkmate. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to beat the 10th floor, then the final boss, by killing the enemy king on each level. The only piece you have is a king armed with a shotgun. Left-click an adjacent space to move your king. Left-click on an enemy or in the direction of an enemy to fire your gun. Your weapon's stats are seen here. The power of your weapon decreases the farther away your target is, but you will be able to hit multiple targets. Each time you move, you will reload your gun from your reserve. If your gun is fully loaded, then it will generate 1 ammo to your reserve, unless that is also full. You can also manually reload your gun by clicking the gun icon or pressing the spacebar. If you are about to take an action that will result in you losing, the game will make this sound, and one of your shields will be consumed. Move your king to a new space to regenerate your shields. When you run out of shields, you will no longer be warned about losing. If your king dies, you lose the game. Hover over an enemy to see its health, movement, and time. Time is the number of turns it will take before that piece moves. The turn right before a piece moves, that piece will start shaking to indicate it will move after your next action. Multiple enemy pieces can move each turn. A piece's remaining time is ignored if you move to or remain in a threatened square, resulting in it immediately capturing you. When a piece's health reaches 0, that piece is destroyed. Then you will capture its soul if you don't already have one. You can left-click on your soul card, then an indicated space on the board to move your king as the captured soul 1 time, consuming the card. There is no limit to the number of soul cards you can use and recapture during a game. Right-click while using the soul card to cancel using it and save it for later. After you eliminate the enemy king, you will get to pick between 2 upgrade paths. Each upgrade has 2 cards, 1 black and 1 white. Each black card benefits you while each white card benefits the enemy. However, some white cards can benefit you too. Each card says what it does and will permanently change the rules for the remainder of the game. Hover over a card to read what it does. After you beat the final boss, you will unlock the next difficulty. Throughout playing, you can also unlock different weapons your king can use to help aid you in your quest.